Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Another crazy day today. I say another because not that long ago, the chart made a crazy move back here. And then the craziness was back today, and after all the dust has settled, it has definitely presented us with some key levels from both support and then resistance standpoint. The one level of support that really stands out after today's price action is the support level right here at $6 and basically 75 cents. You can see on a couple different instances, the bears try to press down through that level earlier today, both there and then there. The price held strong. And then today, during the final 30 minutes, price didn't quite hit it, but got within the range of it. So as it stands right now, going into tomorrow, 675, very, very important level of support. If that level cannot hold, am I saying this thing's collapsing, back below $5? I'm not saying that, but after today played out, that's clearly a very key level of support. In the event 675 cannot hold, the next key level to keep an eye on would be at $5.25. But to be fair to the bulls, as it stands right now, 675 is indeed doing a great job. So 675 and then 525, two of their nearer term levels of support. What about areas of resistance? So if this movement is going to get started again and start to show some signs of life, where are some of these key battlegrounds at that the bulls will have to fight through? First key area of resistance, right up here around the $8.75 mark, give or take a little bit. I mean, you go back to the history of the chart, and you can see right here, knock down the price. I realize the price did technically get up above it, but the main point of price congestion seems to be right around $8.75. And then if the price can push through there, the next key overall area of resistance, as far as kind of price congestion, right up there at about $11.25. This goes back to the 16th, which I referenced earlier in the video, but you can see right up there quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. But kind of pointless to be talking about this red line up there until the bulls can first get back up above this red line resistance. But all in all, this chart really revolves around the volume down here, because volume is the lifeblood of any chart. So if volume can stay heavy, then you never know what's possible with ones like this that can really move quickly. But if volume drops off, then these ones have a really hard time of really making it worthwhile at all. So keep an eye on volume, and we'll see how this one unfolds the remainder of the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.